Let's learn how do we divide the number 184 by 2 using the long division method. See that 1 is less than 2, so let's consider the number 18. We know that 2 times 9 is equal to 18. Subtract, we get a 0. Now this 0 is less than 2. That is why we need to bring down this adjacent 4 here. Now look that this is the number 4. That is why we need to remove this left-handed 0. And we know that 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Subtract, we get 0. As we get the number 0 and we have no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, 184 divided by 2 is equal to this number 92. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe our channel.